Plotted developments around the airport. Why now is the right time to invest? Sumadura Panorama, Assets the Secret Lake, Arvin Greatlands, Assets Hideaway. Sobha, Century and now Prestige is coming up with plotted developments. All these are on IVC Road, Devanahalli and STRR stretch. Now why are all these developments thriving in the same area? You asked the right question. Infrastructure, real estate growth and plots. Come, let's break this down. Let's take a closer look at the location that's driving all this excitement too. This is Kempegowda International Airport and Devanahalli. Just a short drive away, IVC Road is another pivotal area. This STRR, Satellite Town Ring Road, is a game changer for the region, connecting 12 major satellite towns, including Devanahalli. Congratulations, you've just unlocked the secret to North Bangalore's hottest real estate hotspot. Looks like you're ahead of the game. Let's see how infrastructure is shaping North Bangalore. Proximity to key locations, airport, upcoming tech hubs, KIADB Aerospace Park, and the metro station. Everything within an hour. The Hebbal to Airport metro line, expected to be completed by 2026, will significantly increase land and property values, making home prices climb with each new development. STR, Satellite Town Ring Road, is improving connectivity by linking 12 major satellite towns and industrial hubs, further driving real estate demand. Land values in Devanahalli have risen 15% plus annually, with projections for further growth as it transforms into North Bangalore's Gurugram. Early investors have seen returns of 30% plus on their investments. Why invest in plots? Well, you have a couple of options. You can buy land now, hold on to it and sell it when the prices peak. Trust me, with all the development happening, that's a solid plan. 2. If you're looking for something more personal, you can build a rental villa or even a holiday home. It's the perfect spot to escape to, surrounded by nature but still connected to everything you need. 3. If you're an NRI, this gets even better. With the strength of the dollar, North Bangalore is a favorite place for NRIs to invest. In fact, a recent survey showed that 40% of NRIs have already made investments in this region. So, there you have it. With all the infrastructure developments, the booming real estate market and the strategic location near the airport, North Bangalore is clearly on the rise. Whether you're looking to hold on to land, build your dream villa, now is the perfect time to secure your plot in this rapidly growing area. For more real estate insights and updates, don't forget to subscribe to the Realty Engineers.